We made this sweet garden Santa from a dollar store gnome. We used recycled foil and very inexpensive nail polish. So for Christmas this year, it's been a real bargain. You can use nail polish to take glitter, plastic, wood, or paper. And you can use some of these same techniques to save a lot and make ordinary ornaments really dazzling. We'll show you all the tricks we learned with love for a country house. So here's how we made the Santa decoration. First, we primed him with white paint, and this was to make sure that our foil would stick. We painted everywhere we planned to put the foil. You can use fresh or recycled foil. The recycled foil will have crackles, even when you smooth it first. We tore the foil into small pieces, trying to make these curved, because straight edges tend to show. Next, we used Mod Podge both on the foil and the figure. We're going to overlap the pieces and press the foil into place, and after a few minutes it will stick pretty well. And we can burnish out the wrinkles and air pockets. If any foil sticks up, like you can see it sticking up under the burnisher here, use a tiny brush to add glue underneath, and sometimes you'll need to do that several times to get the foil to stick to the foil. But it will stick, and it's actually fun to do the burnishing as the foil gets shinier and shinier, and pretty soon you'll have a shiny silver decoration. But don't just stop there. Here's how you can add fun details to your ornaments for not a lot of money. Use a recycled pie pan. They're easy to cut into various shapes, and you can make any detail you like, held on with a bit of E6000 glue. Now we're ready to paint. And the way we got the rich finish on our Santa was to use nail polish. It's amazing the range of colors and glitters available for not a lot of money. So after some testing, we layered 3 shades of red, starting with a hot pink neon magenta. And we followed that by a clear coral. You'll find these dry really fast between coats. And the final coat was a rose copper gel with sparkles. We did the same layering for the Santa suit. The layering makes a rich look come together very quickly, and it dries quickly too. You'll only need a little paint, and the built-in brush makes it easy, but we do recommend wearing a paint mask. We made stripes with a darker red and even more copper rose on top, and even with all these layers, the foil shines through, catching the light. Just look at that finish. And this was with the cheapest nail polish we could find. And now for the beard. We used clear polish and Pearl X powder because we couldn't find any white iridescent polish, but doing this gave us a good idea. We used nail polish to pick up dry glitter to make a super glitter effect on the beard. We call this little Santa glitter beard, but the point is, you can mix any glitter into any polish and skip glue altogether. And here's another trick. When we use the coral to put a little color on the cheeks and nose, we put it on and then we dabbed it with the finger to blend it. And as you can see, there were a few final touches here and there. Basically, we went through our craft room to see what we could find that would complement Glitterbeard so that he could be our lifelong keepsake, and most people would never guess he cost just a few dollars. And what really helped was to use these tiny toothpick swabs, because these won't leave any fibers in your polish. This doesn't have to be difficult. You can take any low-price ornament, like this sleigh, and make it much more refined. We painted the sides with brown paint to tone down the look of the tinsel, and then we took a few toy blocks, covered those with aluminum foil, and we decorated those with string and dried flowers. The dried flowers were tinted pink and mixed with glitter, and we added more glitter on the runners to make it look like ice. You can use nail polish on plastic over glitter. You can update bland ornaments into something amazing, or you can just add stars. You can simply use it over paper and wood and graphics in a kind of paint by number way. Because you can see through it, details will still show, but it'll have that little bit of sparkle just right for Christmas. Don't miss our next video. We think you're gonna love it. More Christmas stuff. Click on the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.